This 407 is for sale. The body is okay. For the bumper they've done it, but the body is in good shape. I don't know the engine model. It's actually automatic. I don't know the engine model. Whether it's right-hand drive or left-hand drive conversion. I'm just saying, just the body. But the roof seems to have been worked on. Okay, the pen paint or something. Or maybe they changed the windscreen, pressed down on it or something. But the body is intact. So, if you want to buy, this is the number. Screenshot it. Call the seller or the dealer. It's a Nike Autos. So, the car is at this area one shopping complex. Area one shopping complex. Okay. The money is good. But I did not inspect the vehicle. So I don't know the condition of the engine, the transmission, the electrical system, the suspension, and if there's any severe abuse or anything done. But it's up to you to do that if you want to. But from the look of things, this is a four-cylinder engine, at least according to the exhaust. Unless they've changed the exhaust to something else, but the exhaust is showing that the engine is four-cylinder. Okay, so if you're interested, contact the seller.